Hello, how are you? And today in this episode I would like to talk about one of the most important thing on your privacy settings. But I'm sorry for the long absence and that because I'm very tired, and thanks for the guys who helped me and praying to the God for a speedy recovery for me. And let's get started.
Audio Jungle.
And first, this is Android 11 oneui 3.1. This is shamway room on my Samsung A20, and this tutorial on this episode will work on all Samsung devices. And as you see here, I can use the camera on all apps using the camera like Samsung camera, Google camera, TikTok, Instagram, WhatsApp, and more. And as you see here, this is my Samsung camera work well, and on WhatsApp the camera work well here too. And Samsung has added this feature that I will talk about it on this episode. First, go into the settings and go to about phone, then go to software information. You will find the build number. Click it, click 7 times on it to enable developer option. Now you have a developer options. Open developer options and swipe down to see the quick settings developer tiles. Then enable sensors off option. Now you enable the option but it doesn't activate. So to activate this privacy feature, swipe down for notification panel. You will find this first icon. This is sensors off. Let's activate it and see. And as you see here, my voice changed. Why? Because the sensors off, like the microphone. And on the camera, as you see here, camera security policy prevents use of the camera. Camera will not open, and it will and on TikTok, let's try to open the camera, and camera doesn't work here too. Arrow camera cannot open a camera. Please restart the app or mobile. And in all camera apps, and the microphone will not work. Camera will not work on all apps using the camera and more. So make sure you enable this option while doing the important thing. So finally, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and I will see you in the next episode.